Hello students, exercise 1.3, question number 3. Given the function f such that x tells to x square minus 5x plus 6, evaluate f of minus 1, f of 2a, f of 2, f of x minus 1. So this is the equation, that is f of x square minus 5x plus 1. Right? So we are going to find out these four values. So f of minus 1, first question is f of minus 1. So f of minus 1 is nothing but we have to substitute minus 1 in the place of x in this equation. Right? So f of x is x square minus 5x plus 6. Right? So f of minus 1 is nothing but we have to substitute minus 1 in the place of x in this equation. That is f of minus 1 is equal to, here we have x, but x square. Therefore, we have to substitute minus 1 in the place of x, right? So minus 1 square. Minus 5 is here, minus 5. Again we have x. So in the place of x, I have to substitute minus 1. So minus 1 plus 6. Right? So minus 1 whole square, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 5 into minus 1, so plus 5, plus 6. Therefore 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Therefore f of minus 1 is equal to 12. Right? Next one is f of 2a. F of 2a. So f of minus 1 means we have to substitute minus 1 in the place of x. Same way, f of 2a means we have to substitute 2a in the place of x. Right? So 2a in the place of x. So here we have x square. Therefore 2a whole square. Minus 5. Here we have x. So in the place of x I have to substitute 2a. Plus 6. So 2a whole square, which means this square is common for both these values. So 2 square, 2 into 2, 4. A square is a square. Minus 5 into 2a. Minus 5 into 2a is minus 10a plus 6. Right? So after this we can't able to simplify this equation. So that is the answer. That's all. Simply substitute 2a in the place of x. So 2a square minus 5 into 2a plus 6. 2a whole square is 4a square. Minus 5 into 2a is minus 10a plus 6. That's all. This is the answer for f of 2a. And the next one is f of 2. It is nothing but we have to substitute 2 in the place of x. So here x square. So 2 whole square. Minus 5 x. So minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square is 4. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 plus 6. So 4 minus 10 plus 6. What is 4 plus 6? This both numbers are in addition, plus sign. So we have to add. So what is 4 plus 6? 10. Here we have minus 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. Therefore f of 2 is equal to 0. And the last one is f of x minus 1. F of x minus 1 is nothing but we have to substitute x minus 1 in the place of x. So this question is a little big, right? So f of x minus 1 is nothing but we have to substitute x minus 1 in the place of x. So here we have x. So we have to substitute x minus 1. So x minus 1 square. Therefore whole square. Minus 5. Here we have x. So instead of x we have to substitute x minus 1. So x minus 1. Plus 6. Right? So this is f of x minus 1. So after this we have to simplify this equation. So this is x minus 1 the whole square. So it looks like a minus b the whole square. So what is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this looks like a minus b whole square. So what is in the place of a? X. So a is equal to x here. What is in the place of b? 1. So b is equal to 1 here. So we have to substitute these values in this equation. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore a square, what is a? X. Therefore x square plus b square plus What is b here? 1. One more thing is we should not take this sign. Only we should take the values, right? A is x, b is 1, not minus 1, right? So what is b? 1. So a square plus b square. B square is 1 square, right? Minus 2 into a into b. Minus 2 into, what is a? X. Into b. What is b? 1. Right? So this is for this value. X minus 1 the whole square is equal to x square plus 1 square minus 2 into x into 1. That is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. After that, this one. This minus 5 into x minus 1. This minus 5 is common for these two terms. So we have to multiply this minus 5 inside this bracket. So minus 5 into x. That is minus 5x. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 5 into minus 1. So first we have to multiply with this x. That is minus 5x. After that we have to multiply with this minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So plus 5. After that we have plus 6 is here. So plus 6. Right? So this is the expansion of this one. X minus 1 the whole square. So we applied this formula. Minus 5 into x minus 1. So we have to multiply this 5 inside. Plus 6. So now we have to simplify. X square, that is x square. 1 square is 1. Minus 2 into x into 1. 2 into x is 2x. 2x into 1 is 2x. Right? Here minus 5x plus 5 plus 6. Right? So now x square. Right? X square. What is the next term? Next power? Power 1. This is the highest power, x square. Next power is power 1. So 2x and 5x. So we have to add this 2. That is minus 2x minus 5x. Both are negative sum. So we have to add. Therefore minus 7x. Because the bigger number 5 have minus sign. So minus 7x. So after this constants. 1 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Therefore this is the answer for f of x minus 1. Right? So x minus 1 the whole square. So we have to apply formula. That is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. After that we have to multiply this minus 5 inside. So minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Plus 6 is here. So plus 6. Right? So x square. 1 square is 1. We have to multiply all these things. That is minus 2 into x into 1. That is minus 2x. Minus 5x plus 5 plus 6. We have to write the equation in order. What is the highest power here? 2. So x square. Next highest power is 1. So power 1, power 1. These are the x values. Minus 2x, minus 5x. Both have the same sign, so we have to add. That if we add 2 and 5, it is 7. That is 7x. The bigger number is 5, have minus sign, so minus 7x. After that, constant. 1 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. This is the answer for f of x minus 1. That's all about this question. Thank you.